Raider Nation. Today is Wednesday, September 26th. I just did a video last week, but when I was driving into work this morning, I seen they're starting to put up the steel structure. So, according to the plans, this steel structure, the whole shape, like the whole skeleton, is going to be pretty much done by the end of this year. So there's the two first pieces that I've seen. So it's going to start looking more like a stadium. It's looking good. And actually there's a couple miles away, that there's a lot of steel on flatbed trailers sitting in this lot. So I guess they just bring, it's like a puzzle, they just bring the pieces as they need them. There's a lot of it laying down. You can see it all laying down around there also. So they got it kind of all the way around, all the steel waiting. So that's a good sign. Everything is still on schedule according to Stadium Authority. Alright, just wanted to stop and show it's going up. Alright, thanks for looking. If you want more updates, Duntov 1967, please subscribe. All right, Raider Nation, talk to you later. Bye.